let me very quickly run you through how the UFO system works. So what happens is you have a craving. The craving comes as a feeling inside your body, a sensation that sends a signal to your brain. You interpret that as a command to go and smoke, but it's actually just a signal. So all you need to do is interpret that signal correctly, understand it is a signal, pause, observe it, and then think what that signal was about. The signal was a particular sensation or feeling in your body trying to get your attention. So give it your attention. Take your attention and focus it on the physical feeling inside your body. Once you have focused it on that physical feeling, all you need to do is give it a mental nod. Accept it's there. Okay, there you are. And as soon as you've done that, you've interrupted the psychological emotional loop that you are in from feeling like you want a cigarette to automatically having one. So you've interrupted that process. You've now taken your attention away from trying to make this sensation disappear and go away. What you've done instead is brought your attention to look at that particular feeling instead of taking the cigarette. So it's a completely different path you're on now. So once you've paid attention to that feeling, given it the mental nod, and you've not smoked, you've not picked up a cigarette, you can sit with this for a second or two and you'll feel that it's sort of changing and meandering and maybe weakening or maybe growing. But on the moment of you acknowledging that you actually have the feeling and paying attention to it, that feeling itself will start to dissipate. That's the reason it was signaling you to get your attention. Give it your attention, and then you may be in this elevated state. But as a matter of course, the O in the UFO system is to oxygenate and onwards. And so what we do is we take a deep breath in, top it up. The same as the that you used to do when you were a kid. It calms your autonomic nervous system, switches over from the sympathetic to the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the good side, and you're instantly calmer. And so we've interrupted the emotional loop. We've paid attention to what the loop, what the emotion, what the sensation was asking us to do, which is all that's required, which dissipates it in itself. And then we've calmed ourselves physiologically. And that is untether the urge, find a feeling, oxygenate and onwards. And that is how you quit smoking in 10 seconds.